Hey, ever struggled with getting your page structure just right? Well, I've got the solution for you: mastering how to insert and customize page breaks. Books Scissors. Page breaks are like magic lines that tell your document where to start a new page. They're super handy when you want to control the layout and make sure everything looks professional. Briefcase Sparkles. Here's how you do it. Simply place your cursor where you want the new page to begin, then go to the Insert tab and click on Page Break. Boom! A new page is created, and you're in control. Party Popper Memo. But wait, there's more. You can also customize your page breaks to suit your needs. Just double-click on the page break line, and a dialog box will pop up. From there, you can adjust the settings like adding a page number, changing the style, or even adding a header or footer. Pen Input Numbers. So, whether you're working on a report, a thesis, or just want to make your document look polished, mastering page breaks is the way to go. It's like having a secret weapon for page structure. Flexed Biceps Page Facing Up. Now go ahead and give it a try. You'll be amazed at how much control you have over your document's layout. Happy page breaking. Raising Hands Laptop Computer. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and soon you'll be a page break pro. Glowing Star Scissors. End of monologue.